Well, hello, my OLLI people, and welcome to the Spring 2025 painting session with Cruz. I am looking forward to seeing everybody. This year we'll have 7 sessions. Some of the classes are going to last 2 sessions because they're a little bit more complicated, but I'm going to give you a sneak preview of some of the things we're going to do. So sign up soon because it's going to fill up fast. But this one here is a mixed media and acrylics, and this is a super fun class, and we're gonna do that. This is what they call batik without wax, and I'm gonna show you how to do this, and we're gonna crumple paper, and it's just like super fun. And then for my acrylic, for my watercolor peeps, I didn't forget about you. We are going to do a bowl of peaches since we are in Alabama and there's a lot of peaches in Alabama. So this is for you. And I will see you at the open house. And I hope you sign up and take a chance and take some classes with me. And I will see you. Happy New Year to everybody. Be safe out there and be ready to get painting in 2025. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.